Let's turn now to our Northern California Fire Watch. The Dixie and River fires are still the two big ones we're tracking. First, the Dixie Fire, which is in Butte, Plumas, Lassen, and Tehama counties. Growth has slowed on this one. It's now about 482,000 acres. It is not making any significant jumps in acreage like last week, but containment is just 22%. Thousands of people are still under evacuation orders, many not knowing whether or not their homes are still there. We did speak to one person in the spared town of Chester who chose to stay behind.
It's kind of helped our stress level go down too. You know, we grew up with a lot of these people. We know their homes and their families and their pets, and it's kind of helped us out being able to go around and help everybody.
Troy, we're glad you're okay, and as you shared with us, you know how lucky it is that that town is still standing. And this morning, we're also pleased to report all of the 31 missing people have been found. And now checking in on the river fire burning near Colfax in Nevada and Placer counties. Containment there is 68%. Firefighters really making some good progress on this one. It's been 6 days since it started. It has burned 2,600 acres. People are now returning to their homes, and for those who did lose everything, they are now picking up the pieces.
This is what we were going to spend the rest of our life. We'd set ourselves up to make this kind of our dream place, and currently the dream is still here, but the home isn't.
It was just incredible, some of the things that we didn't realize we would lose.
And for those who remain evacuated right now, from 9 to noon today, Colfax Elementary will be the site of a reentry center. People will be able to get an escort there to then go check on their home.